Good day, I'm Mark Vasily, and today we are going to help you with one simple question: how to select the best hotel in the Dominican Republic. So if you decided to go to the Dominican Republic, probably that's what you're going to consider. And you are selecting the hotel right now. So probably you're gonna check on the price. You are going to check with food. Probably the beach is important. And of course, facilities of the hotel. And what kind of activities you can do there when you are inside of the hotel. So let's focus on those 5 points. Let's talk about price expectations. So of course, different season has different prices. So like if you were going, let's say in September, and that's kind of lowest season, the prices is usually very low. But the highest prices are starting from December till probably the end of the May, or till at least the end of the April. That's the highest season in the Dominican Republic. Of course, days like Easter or Christmas Eve, those days probably are the craziest, the most expensive prices in the Dominican Republic, like everywhere. So if you want to book something, make sure for those days you are booking something really upfront. My best recommendation to consider everything as a package. So just select 2, 3, 5 options that you really like, and select the facilities you are looking for, the beach you really like. The beach, it's pretty easy. You can check what kind of beach at our website, everythingpuntacana.com. You can go to blog and see what kind of beach you could expect. So let's say the Barcela Hotel. It's located in White Sands. So let's say if you're going somewhere to Uvero Alto, you are going to have yellow sand. If that's something that is really important to you, you know how to select. At the same time, if you want to enjoy the kind of like more bay experience, you need to be in the Bávaro beach area. And if you want to have like waves and enjoy and have some fun like this, so probably you need to go to area of Hard Rock Hotel, to Overo Alto. So it's not that stable in terms of the ocean, so you can have fun and enjoy it. At the same time, if you just want to have something more, I would say appropriate for kids and people in their age, I would say you need to go to Bávaro Beach. It's more tranquil, so you don't need to worry about your kids so much. Still, make sure that you are observing them, make sure that you are checking on a regular basis, and make sure that everybody from your family is safe, and just take care about your family and your kids and about your adults. Make sure that everybody's safe. Usually at every single hotel they have the security, and they have somebody who's watching to make sure they can save your life, like lifeguards. But it's not necessary. I would still recommend you to check on your kids and adults yourself. Make sure you guys are fine and have like only positive emotions in the Dominican Republic. Check online reviews. Yes, that's really important. But really important, not only reviews, but really important how the hotel or any kind of property, how they are improving on those reviews. Let's say right after COVID, maybe you have some negative reviews about the food. Make sure those kind of reviews are like, if they making some improvements. How is the beach right now? Do they have algae, or do they clean the beach right now? So it's really important to track the improvements, how they react, what they do, and what kind of progress they are making. If they taking care of negative reviews, that's a very, very good sign, and you should definitely pay attention for this specific factor. It's much better to have this to track this kind of improvements than just like have all the time absolutely top ratings. Sometimes we all know that could be not accurate, not real reviews, but at the same time, if you see the improvements, it's a very, very good sign. So So if I were you, what I would do? So I would select, let's say, what's appropriate for me in terms of what I'm looking for, like what kind of activities I want to do, and what kind of facilities I would love to have. If gym, one of the important things that I really need to focus on that. If I want to have let's say, practice in some water sports, that's what I want to focus, and I select 3, 5, 6 hotels based on my necessities. Then I would focus on food, then I would focus on price, and play all this together. Just select 3 to 5 options with the hotels that you really like, and then decide why this or that option is better for you specifically. And really important stuff, you need to select the dates and check the prices for specific dates that you are looking for to book specific hotels, because you can have special deals, special promotions. So make sure you are having the best rates, the best price. If you go into the Dominican Republic, make sure, guys, that you really take care of your health. Make sure that you are not over-consume the alcohol, and the really important stuff, stay away from the sun, probably from 11 a.m. till 2 p.m. Make sure that you are avoiding sunburns. The sun is pretty strong here, so make sure you have your sunscreen or take measures to avoid any kind of those issues, because like the sun is really, really strong. Like look at the map, look at the globe, so we are in the middle. It's like really tropical sun. It's really tough. So I just want to make sure that you guys taking care of this specific fact. As for me, I'm not letting my kids to go on the beach like after 10:30. Just we getting out and we coming back at 3 or sometimes 3:30 or 4 p.m. Make sure you taking care of yourself and your lovely ones. In addition to it, you can always book with us private villas with chef, great apartments with ocean view. You can book excursions and activities, private yachts and helicopters, whatever you feel comfortable, whatever you need. Just contact our website everythingpuntacana.com and find the best promotions, the best activities for you, your family and your friends. Welcome to the Dominican Republic. Welcome to Punta Cana. Oh, almost forget, subscribe to our channel, thumbs up, ring the bell. No, it's here. Make sure you're not missing our next video. See you soon in Punta Cana.